making round holes. The most common form of corded drill is the pistol grip. Power in corded drills is typically supplied by a universal motor, used for its high power-to-weight ratio. The rotating edge of the drill exerts a large force on the workpiece and the hole is generated. The fan in the setup is mounted onto the motor shaft for air regulation and cooling. The removal of metal in a drilling operation is by shearing and extrusion.